guys, and we are gonna be doing V-Swarm. So let's get into V-Swarm right now. I just had to get the webcam on. Okay, guys, sorry about the other video where I just didn't show my face. I was just like, I didn't know how to do it, guys. First one and Jackson showed me.
Wait, guys.
What? So what's going on here? What's going on? What's going on? What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, guys, so never mind about that. We're gonna be doing and today, guys, what are you doing? Why? It didn't work?
No, it did work. I just
Okay, so let's go join the game. So we're actually joining the game. We're getting the honey diaper. Honey dipper! I keep saying honey dipper. Oh my god, claim. I pressed the wrong button. I pressed 1 by accident. Okay, so we're gonna go. Where are you gonna go to make honey?
open.
Barcande!
Welcome back.
Yeah, let's go over there, guys.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to today. As you can see, we are back, guys. And we're going to be joining Mini Cruiser, guys. Let's just join for a second, guys. We're going to be playing V-Swarm with Mini Cruiser, guys. We're going to be
Hold on a
making
minute,
ourselves
guys.
really good.
Hold on a minute.
Let's just see. Let's go over here, guys. As you can see, I can really do play my hat. I'm going to play my hat, guys. So maybe I should just go with
Let me go to YouTube.
Okay, let's get this guy in real quick. Whoa! A vicious bee in the red HQ.
Does it show your password when you go to it?
What?
Does it show your password
When I do the what?
when you go to your channel?
No.
Oh.
Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna go over to
Okay, so it doesn't show that.
Starship Star Running Horse.
Let's get back to.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I didn't make it. That's why. Okay, guys, I'm sorry about that. I just had to check. People, okay, guys. I'm in Jackson's server, guys. Sorry about that, guys. That's unfortunately weird. I just had to check something real quick. Okay, so I didn't really get that up.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to today. As we are back in V-Swarm
Yeah,
Simulator.
guys, we're in V-Swarm Simulator.
Guys, let's go.
So, guys, we're gonna be getting the honey dipper.
This is your
Honey dipper.
This
Oh yes.
is V-Swarm Simulator. Yay!
Yeah.
If you want to see me do admin gaming, you can on my channel, guys. I do that all the time.
Yeah, we do admins and stuff all the time.
I think next
And
video should be admin. Because
YouTube,
admin,
yeah.
bro.
We should delete our videos and do them all over again, but with webcam.
Well,
we
yeah,
do it?
I always want to do them with
Yeah, we should do that, guys.
Remember back when I even just do like.
Yeah, guys, we're gonna delete our YouTube videos and then
I'm not
replace them with
my
webcam.
because I want to remember back in the day.
Yeah, we can do the ones with the phone, but how about we don't use the phone anymore?
Yeah, but sometimes we do like pranks, right?
Yeah, friends, guys. I have another channel called Jacob Gamer. Check it out, guys.
And also, Jacob versus Juliana Green. Check it.
Don't check it out, guys. It's just dumb. I deleted it.
Oh.
I didn't delete it, but I just don't like people looking at it. It's a dumb. It's a ripoff of Sis vs. Bro. I don't care if it gets banned because I don't really go on it.
I can just collect.
My sister made it for me, but I didn't really
Guys,
like
what we're
it.
gonna do is accept one of her requests in next
Yeah,
video.
guys, so we're gonna be getting the
So
honey
sorry
dipper
about
looking
this
day.
video. But guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna go and I'm gonna show you his profile, guys. I'm gonna be showing you Winnie Boozer's profile. He has the same hat as me.
We have the same stuff.
Yeah, he's the same stuff.
Hey guys, we're about to get the honey dipper.
He's friends with Sea Monkey.
Yeah.
I'm also friends with Sea Monkey. Daddy got Sea Monkey back.
Yeah.
My dad.
We were doing a prank on his dad, and I almost said his password. I almost did. Bro, that was so close. His password was CoolJCool. You can't do it anymore because he changed it.
Yeah.
And
What's
that's
this?
his
I'm actually
dad.
looking in the catalog right now. I see like.
And go check on my mom out. It's Julian. Oh my God, 4. That's my mom's. Third.
Julian, oh my God, 4.
Yeah. She
And
likes.
also Juliana's account too.
Yeah, she likes No, it's not. It's that Juju.
What does she use?
It's that Juju girl.
What does your mom use?
Julian. Oh my God, 4.
Shout out to Jacob Gamer and Jackson777. That's art.
Yeah, guys. That's kind of like, that's actually like my personal account. That's like, I own that account, but Jackson just shares it with me, right?
Yeah, we can go on.
But Jackson can't upload videos on mine.
Yeah.
Don't upload
I can
anything.
only upload like really cool webcam.
Don't make a webcam video, okay?
Okay.
He can't make any videos, guys.
But guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fire the red cannon. Guys. Go over here, guys.
And guys, if you upload the video, go check it out and tell him Jake, he uploaded a video.
Yeah.
And tell him to delete it, Jacob.
And guys,
because I didn't tell him to record.
If you want to see my sister.
If you want to see my sister too.
If you want to see me and my sister.
Yeah, if you want to see my sister. If you want to see my sister, my brother, you better like this. We better get 1,000 subscribers.
Bring my computer to his house. So
I want 1,000 subs. I want 1,000 subs, guys. Smack that like button, guys, and give me. I want 1,000 subs, please, guys. If you give me 1,000 subs, please. 1,000 subs. Just 1,000 subs. Just give me 1,000 plus, please, guys.
Give me just 1,000 subs.
Give me. Watch this video, please.
Also, every of these content, hit the bell down below, and also
hit that bell.
I subscribed. Or I love your channel, right?
Yeah,
you comment down below on my video.
And I'll check out your channel, guys. I'll check out your guys' channel. And tell me what it is. Tell me what it's called and everything.
I'm gonna redo that video, my friend's channel video.
Yeah. And we might actually friend you on Roblox, guys.
Yeah. If you want to see me do pranks with Marins.
Yeah, Marins.
I have to ask him his username so he can accept and I can prank him all the time. I'm not pranking him. But I do prank Sea Monkey. Like,
yeah, we did that prank. We were hacked his account.
We were scamming Sea Monkey. We pranked him.
No, we didn't scam him. We went on his account. Jackson told me the account was dead.
Free Robux, guys.
Yeah, free Robux.
Like the video, guys. I'm gonna end the video here, right?
No.
Wait, should I end the video here?
You're gonna get the porcelain dipper.
Yeah.
He's never gonna get that. Do you like every part, like part 1, like all the way to part 1 million? Okay, we're gonna keep doing that. I dare you to do it.
That'll be like 1 million subs.
We're gonna be recording every day.
That'll be like trillions of quadrillions of subs.
I can't record with my dad. If you don't see me recording for a whole week, that's why I'm with my dad, because it's lag at my dad's house. Sorry, guys. Fortunately, when I come back, my mom will be able to.
Yeah, guys, if you want to go comment down below in the section below, and also you need to be signed up to YouTube to have your own channel.
Yeah.
So sorry, guys, who are not signed up to YouTube, guys, because you need to sign up. Maybe
you have to make your own account, right? You have to make your own account.
If you sub to my channel, I will go sub to your channel.
Yeah, guys.
Well.
Yeah, let's hit 1,000 subs and 1,000 likes, please. And I'll sub your channel, and I'll let you be. You can friend me on Roblox, and I'll accept it.
If TG is watching this video,
yeah, TG,
you are awesome, TG.
Yeah,
I
love your channel. And Fake Noodles, Fake Noodles,
Fake Noodles,
Fake Noodles, please.
Fake Noodles also, because I love his content.
Yeah,
he's
awesome.
All YouTubers' content. PokeDigger 1.
Except for hackers.
Except for hackers, like John Doe. If he's watching this video, back off, John Doe.
Yeah.
If John Doe's watching this video, John Doe's just a dumb person.
Yeah, guys.
If you think John Doe is really dumb, just comment down below.
Comment down below, because John Doe's fat.
Go comment down below.
Bam!
Guys. John Doe is the second account on Roblox.
Yeah, Jane Doe's the third.
Jane Doe's the third. I think Jane Doe's a hacker. Is she?
I don't know. We don't. No, but I don't think anybody knows that. Tell me, guys, if Jane Doe's a hacker.
So Jane Doe is a hacker.
Tell me if Jane Doe's a hacker. Guys, I don't even know that yet. Let's look it up. I don't know. Google might not be right.
And guys, if Story Game is watching this, pro emoji, guys. Shout out to him.
Noob, look it up.
And also shout out to that guy TG.
That guy TG. Oh yeah, that guy TG.
Shout out.
I'll make a video of joining him. Yeah, we could do
I'm
that.
gonna make a video.
I joined it before.
I did make a video, but it was that guy TG was online, but it was game clip. I'm gonna do a webcam. That guy TG. But I'm gonna do joining. Wait, why don't you see if he's online right now? I was
Go
supposed to
check
be
if he's
online.
online.
For some reason, if I follow him, I can join him.
Yeah, and you can't do that to other players.
Yeah,
So
like
weird.
not like think Saya.
Go check it out. So we're doing the Honey Dipper.
Slenderman game. Oh, it's in the studio again.
Oni is in the studio, guys.
That guy TG is offline, guys. Dennis Daly, he's funny.
Oh my
I think
god.
Dennis Daly's funny. You think Dennis Daly's trying to be funny?
Oh my gosh.
Shout out to Dennis Daly. You're really funny. Your episode
No,
was really funny.
don't subscribe to Poopy Doopy. Don't subscribe to this channel, okay? No, subscribe to this channel. But don't. I'll tell you the channel that don't subscribe to. Don't subscribe to Poopy Doopy channel. It's really inappropriate.
Don't subscribe
Yeah,
to
to Poopy Doopy. Subscribe to this channel though.
subscribe
Don't subscribe to
to
Poopy Doopy.
Dennis. Subscribe to Dennis. Subscribe to
Don't
Poopy.
subscribe to
all
Poopy
other
Doopy.
YouTubers
It's a
and
bad
get
channel, guys.
Poopy
But my channel's okay. It's
Yeah, me
safe.
too. Guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Please smash the like button and bye. Done. I just pressed done. I'm gonna publish my video to YouTube.
Okay, guys. Okay, we're back. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna have to end this video here. I just had to think of something for my title and stuff. So guys, I have to end this video. And this video is gonna be called talking about stuff from Beastworm. So guys, you will check that out once it's published.
And also
guys,
check out the webcam.
make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.